Actually, we'll start with talking about parallel programming in Java and then in C. For C, we will not talk about the C standard functions and data types, but instead talk about p-threads. Since C11 there is language support in the ISO standard for parallel programming, but we will wait with that until a later lecture. Where we will talk about Lab 2, in which you will parallelize the program, I mean the preflow push program, in both Java and C. And which language you should start with is not at all clear. If you are familiar more familiar with one of the languages, I suggest that you start with that. But it will probably be much easier to debug your parallel program if you use C. So one option is to do Java first, and if it doesn't work or some other problem, do the C version and run one of the tools, Thread Sanitizer or Helgrid, to find out what might be wrong, and then change the Java program. There are also parallel debugging tools for Java, but I actually couldn't find them. They were reported in literature, but for C and C++ they are available on every Linux machine, and not only Linux. So let's start.